mate. Big Joshua. Look. Now, this has got a noisier muffler, which my neighbours probably don't appreciate. I'll keep it short. Doing this so I can show the difference between phones, and this saw had to be up and a little bit more on the low and a little bit more on the high. Now I'll leave that mixture screws like that now, and I'll do the Horny Devil muffler next when it cools down a bit with the two phones. So I'll do my next stereo phone and show what it sounds like and do a comparison sound. Right guys, here we go.